Hello. It's time for an unboxing, and this is like my most anticipated unboxing so far. It's the September Illumicrate, which we know is going to have Empire of the Vampire in as the monthly book. I've not opened this. This is literally just this second arrived. Perfect timing because I wanted to film on my lunch break in work, and I had literally just gone on my lunch break and Royal Mail turned up. So I don't know where my scissors are. 1 second. Scissors acquired. Okay. So obviously the usual, if you don't want to see what's inside this, then look away because I'm opening it and I'm excited. Okay, so the theme is to the bitter end. We're just going to get stuck in. We get, oh, that's pretty. That's Manon and Abraxas from Throne of Glass. That is a really nice size pouch. I love that. I can see the book. I can see the book. Oh my god, it's bubble wrapped. It's not in the yellow pouch, it's bubble wrapped. I can see the book. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry for the fangirling here. Okay, we're not going to get the book out yet. So we have this pin, which is White Flowers and Scarlet Gang chain set. That's really pretty. I don't know what it's from. I'll look at the spoiler card after because I don't want to risk seeing everything else. Oh, the monthly enamel pin. It's got May the Dark Know Your Name and Despair. I really like that, and that fits the book really well. Should mention, I have actually read the book. I have read the book. Okay, what's these? We have a set of magnets which are Ember in the Ashes inspired. I know, because this character is Helene, that's Leia, and that's Elias. We have magnets. These are going on one of my book carts because I love these. Let's see if I can show you them without them reflecting. Always victorious. I really love those. Okay, next up we have these Strange the Dreamer. Oh, I think these are to put in your shoelaces, so they like a little bit of bling for your shoes. They are really pretty. However, I did DNF Strange the Dreamer, so I'm not going to use these because I'd feel a bit weird about it. If they were Daughter of Smoke and Bone, I would, but they're not. But they are super pretty. They are super pretty. I really like that. Next up we have, is that a dagger? Oh my god, that's Riptide from Percy Jackson. That's Riptide. Oh my god. This is so cool. Is this like just a replica dagger, or is this a pencil opener? Letter opener, because either way, I'm obsessed. Okay. I think the book's the only thing left. Ah, black edges. Okay. So I was a bit worried that this was going to be yellow, because we saw Jay post like on his stories, and you could very slightly see a yellow cover in the background, and I was just like, please, dear God, do not be the Illumicrate version, because no, I don't want yellow, thanks. But holy crap. So it's not yellow, it is white with black and gold, and this is bloody gorgeous. The spine is gold. I'm here for this. I am obsessed with this, and that's black, but I'm going to show you the actual edges. The design, the detail. That I am obsessed. There's little stars and this is beautiful. I mean, I don't think there's anything under the dust jacket, but I'm going to have a look anyway. Oh, the artwork. And then it's got the author letter on the other side. It is, of course, signed. I just want to show off the map because look at the map. This is my 4th edition. Right. Oh my god. Okay, so all of the standard editions underneath the dust jacket, they have the crest of House de Leon. And I think one of the editions has Chastian, which is the Goldsboro, I believe. But this has Voss. Like, look at that. That is... Oh, it's got All Shall Kneel on the back as well. Yeah, the end papers at the back are the same as at the front, but obviously at the front it's got the signature as well. But I cannot get over these edges. I love the sound of that when you do that with sprayed edge books. But also one thing I love about this book is it has illustrations throughout, and they are absolutely stunning. I read my Waterstones edition, so it's the signed Waterstones edition with the black edges. I read that edition because at the time none of my others had arrived and I was like, I'm not waiting. But I am going to read you the blurb for this. This book is amazing. It has been 27 long years since the last sunrise. For nearly 3 decades, vampires have waged war against humanity, building their eternal empire even as they tear down our own. Now, only a few tiny sparks of light endure in a sea of darkness. Gabriel de Leon, half man, half monster, and last remaining Silver Saint, a sworn brother of the Holy Silver Order dedicated to defending the realm from the creatures of the night, is all that stands between the world and its end. Now imprisoned by the very monsters he vowed to destroy, the last Silver Saint is forced to tell his story. A story of legendary battles and forbidden love, of faith lost and friendships won, of the wars of the blood and the forever king, and the last quest for humanity's last remaining hope, the Holy Grail. This book is amazing. I will say it's a bit of a slow start because it is a storytelling like type thing. So the beginning is a fairly slow start, but I devoured, pun intended, I devoured I think it was the last 2/3 of this book, but even the first third of it, I still read really quickly and I was like, didn't want to put it down. This was a 5-star for me. And look at me. I've read a book before it comes in a box. Get me. I'm impressed. But I am so happy with this. This is such a stunning edition. I am in awe. Just Illumicrate, I bow down to you and thank you for not doing yellow. Okay, so I will have a look. This is, oh, it's from These Violent Delights. Oh, I should have guessed. Oh, I should have guessed from that was These Violent Delights. I haven't read it, but yeah. This is really pretty. I haven't read These Violent Delights and I don't know if I will. It's not really my sort of thing, but the pin's really pretty, so it's a double pin. But I don't think it's going to be any surprise. I mean, actually, this is a really hard one because I like all the items like a lot. I think it's going to be the dagger. It's either, no, I can't. It's the dagger. But I also really love the pouch. I basically really love all of these 3 items. I love the shoe charms, but because they're Strange the Dreamer, I can't class it as a favourite because I'm not going to use them. But out of these 3, it's going to have to be Riptide because it's Riptide. It's from Percy Jackson. Like, and look at the colour. The colour is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Ah! Thank you, Illumicrate, for doing such an amazing box. I'm obsessed. Like, full on obsessed. It's just yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop fangirling now. I hope you enjoyed this video of me just fangirling over another edition of this book. I hope you did enjoy it though. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. As always with my unboxings, I will put the names of all the artists and shops who contributed to the items in this box in the description box below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!